front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and click on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on. Lastly, hit the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloads are here. To open one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!